So if you ask the average agent right now what their Facebook newsfeed looks like when they log in the morning, most of them will say the same thing, which is it's just filled with noise, right? So much information from all the different connections that we have, and as a result, it's becoming really difficult to find the useful and valuable information we care about. So, in response to this, a lot of the larger social networking sites like Facebook and Twitter, LinkedIn, and the list kind of goes on, have spent a lot of their energy and effort on finding new ways to try to filter information in, right? Filter in what they think is important to you based on your behavior. It's not really working, to be honest, but they're trying. So that's happening. We know this is happening. Now, on the flip side, we've seen an emergence of these niche social networking sites like Vine, Snapchat, Nextdoor, Path, emerge, and their whole pitch to, I guess, the average consumer is simply the average internet user is simply, hey, start over, start with a clean slate, connect with people on a more meaningful and personal level, and you'll enjoy the experience a lot more. So we've got the opportunity for tonight's show to have Janie Coffey on the show. And so Janie works as the Director of Sales and Brand Experience for One Sotheby's down there in Miami. And she is an early adopter of a lot of these platforms. She's been on Instagram when it first kind of came out. She's on this secret society, if you will, of Path, and we're excited to talk to her about that. She's an innovator. She really delves deep into these networks, and as a result, she's had a lot of success with it. So I think it's going to inspire you guys, and I think it's going to be an exciting interview. Chris and I are pumped to have her on the show. The show's going to be starting soon, so grab a drink, and we'll see you at the water cooler.